everyone, welcome to Looking Into Problems. Today I'll be showing you 3 tools that you can download for your PC and use them to remove Samsung FRP hassle-free. No payment needed for the most of the devices, particular starting from okay, let's go one by one. So now we're going to search same view, and then we search on same view. You come, this is the website. You can download anything here. You can download all types of firmware to flash your phone, upgrade, downgrade. But here are other tools, and then same view FRP tool. That's the tool that we are looking for, that we'll be talking about today. This is tool number 1, same view 4.9, remove Samsung FRP, one click. The last update was 9 months ago. Yes. So when you want to download this tool, you have to come down to the bottom. That's where you find the download link after the introduction. This is the download link. The network is kind of slow. Alright, it's downloading there. So once it's finished download, you just have to unzip it. It's a 56.3 megabytes in size. Okay, so skip because I already have it. So now I open it. That's the file there. I unzip it, extract. That's the one there, and then you run it for setup. So this tool it got different features, like removing FRP, and you can remove FRP for 2024 USA models for free.
You don't have 5 up. Stay in code. Hey, Tada. You good?
For free.
That's good.
So I was saying before someone disturbed me, FRP, you remove FRP, remove FRP new security, which is a Samsung A04E. That's the latest that I know can be removed from this tool. Even Samsung S10, you can remove it. I've done it. And then even the US models 2024, like A05, A015, if you're in US, you can use this tool to remove. And then MTP mode, factory reset, test mode. We're talking about Vodafone phones, Mobicel, and then even KG unlock test mode. You can change the CSC. It's got a lot of functions. You can even reset the factory reset for LGs, of FRP for LGs. These are like Vodafone. You can remove FRP for Vodafone phones, Mobicel, Itel, so on and so on. This is the tool. This is the interface. You select your mobiles here: Xiaomi, LG, Android, Senfew 2, the best tool. And then the second tool, guys, is TFT module. And when you say TFT module, so TFT module v.7 Pro Tool Error Fixed Vision. So this is the tool, guys. FRP unlock tool. This is the website. Here you will find the trusted link for MTK tool. This is the MTK tool. Basically what you can do with this tool, it's loads. There's paid vision for iCloud, unlock, and also Android. Most of them are free. I have these tools. Let me show you. Let's open TFT. Yes, November 7, 2024. This is the latest update. Let me just download this myself. The download link. There's the download link there. Okay, this one was this is the latest. This is the one that we're looking for. Select that one and download. So I'm going to leave download links on the description. Desktop, flash tools, just throw it there. Yeah, so the third one is Flash. So it is there. Flash 2 under IaaS team. Open the same website, and this is the same Flash tool. This tool I trust it for Samsung A04e. I use this one for Samsung A04e via download mode. You can remove FRP on for your Samsung A04e while it's on download mode. This is the one when you want to use for Samsung download. Samsung A04e, and it use function via download mode. Even this one got download mode. You can remove also Samsung A04e using this function, or then a rise FRP. Phones like Samsung S10, you need to come to normal mode and use this option. If it failed there, you can come to this one and then you use the second one between August 2022 to December 2021. That's the latest Android on Samsung S10. So there you go, guys. I'm going to leave a link into the description box for where you can download these 3 tools. Thank you for watching.